Honorable teacher and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am here to present my views on motion in against of the motions. Exam only measure the memory of a student, not their learning. Exam is the way to test our knowledge. Without conducting the exams and tests, students do not have learned lessons properly and they do not concentration in their study. So in my opinion, exam is very necessary for school and colleges also to find out the real knowledge, talent and skills of the students. All the students studying lessons properly to get good marks in their exams. Even students is interesting to getting good marks in the exams. Without the conducting exam, there is no chance to express our thoughts as well as the studying activities. But some people thought that exam is not necessary for school student, but this kind of attitude is really wrong, because without conducting the exams, student do not have concentration in their study and student will be tension free and not learning the lessons properly. And some of the students don't go to the school if the examination system is take out of the education. And student will get motivation toward their learning to achieve in their examinations. Exams are the way to test our knowledge and express our skills, and as well as studying activities to express our thoughts. And exam teaches a lot of things like punctuality, writing skills, timing sense, and how to express our thoughts and opinion and so on. So without exams, it's very difficult to find out the real knowledge of the student. An exam is the method to there's students learning lessons properly to get good marks in their exams, and it is an efficient way to test a student's knowledge and measure the knowledge as well as, and memory is a fundamental role in life, because learning and memory are closely related concepts. In learning, advantage are skills and knowledge also, while memory is the expression what you have learned, what you have acquired. So in my opinion, exam is very necessary for schools and colleges also to find out the real knowledge. And exams measure the memory of students, but they also measure the intelligence of students. Thank you.